When it comes to awesome trucks, we've got them here at Payne Pre Owned McColl on the corner of McColl Road and also Business 83 in McAllen, Texas. This is a pre-owned 2022 GMC Sierra 1500 AT4 package. Oh baby, in hot cayenne, I think, or hot pepper metallic, 6.2 liter V8. We've got those professional grade 22-inch wheels wrapped in Toyo all-terrains. Now these are power driver and front passenger seats, heated and vented, center console shift as I get in here. Also, we have our trailer brake controller console shifter right here. All of our other controls, including the tailgate control, climate control, GMC infotainment system, 360-degree camera, leather wrapped steering wheel, hands-free controls, electric tilt, and a full digital cockpit. Oh yeah, and also that premium Bose stereo. Heated second row, big huge mats all throughout, connectivity and rear air, and also we do have in-seat storage and plenty of storage right here in the cabin. Coated bed, LED lighting, multi-function tailgate, power here in the back, and of course, she is ready for a trailer. So come on home to Payne Pre Owned McColl. I am Chris Marshall of the Payne Street Team, where you can find this pre-owned 2022 GMC Sierra AT4 package, brought to you by PayneAutoGroup.com. I'm Chris Marshall of the Payne Street Team, brought to you by PayneAutoGroup.com, and where we have what you want. Lo que tu quieres, regardless.